I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with chapter number 30 of English, and the name of the chapter is Essay Writing. So हम लोग essay writing के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So what are essays? Let us read this first. So narrative essays are like short stories in the first or third person. They may be about something that really happened. तो नैरेटिव एसेज जो होते हैं वो रियली एक शॉर्ट स्टोरीज की तरह होते हैं जो कि एक फर्स्ट और थर्ड पर्सन के बारे में डिपिक्ट किए जाते हैं और वो एक ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स भी हो सकते हैं जो एक्चुअल में हुए हो राइट अ नैरेटिव कैन आल्सो बी अबाउट इमेजिन्ड इवेंट्स ये नैरेटिव जो है वो यूजुअली इमेजिन्ड इवेंट्स के बारे में भी हो सकती है द इवेंट्स आर रिकाउंटेड ईदर as they occurred in a flashback. Descriptive words make the story interesting. तो जो इवेंट्स है वो या तो रिसेंट के भी हो सकते हैं या फिर एक फ्लैशबैक यानी कि पास्ट टाइम के भी हो सकते हैं. डिस्क्रिप्टिव वर्ड्स मेक द स्टोरी इंटरेस्टिंग. अगर हम उनमें डिस्क्रिप्टिव वर्ड्स को यूज करेंगे तो हमारी जो स्टोरी है वो और भी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाएगी. Dialogues are added to the essay, and the characters need to be described and developed by narrating their thoughts, feelings, and actions. So, जो dialogues है, जो add किए जाते हैं essay में और characters need to be described. जो characters हैं उन्हें भी हमें describe करना पड़ता है और जो कि developed है by narrating their thoughts जो कि हम narrate करेंगे अपने थॉट्स के थ्रू, फीलिंग्स के थ्रू और अपने एक्शंस के थ्रू. द नैरेटिव मस्ट हैव अ प्लॉट, एन एप्रोप्रिएट सेटिंग, क्लाइमेक्स एंड एन एपिक. कि आपका जो ऐसे है उसका एक सर्टेन प्लॉट होना चाहिए, एक बिगिनिंग स्पॉट होना चाहिए, एक क्लाइमैक्स होना चाहिए और एक परफेक्ट एंडिंग उसमें होनी चाहिए. राइट सो नाउ दे आर सेइंग रीड द एसे. हमें यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है एक ऐसे के तौर पर. जल्दी से इसको रीड करते हैं. इट वॉज अ डार्क एंड थंडरस नाइट. माई पेरेंट्स, माई ब्रदर एंड आई were on our back home from a wedding. We were traveling by car. Daddy was driving and Mama sat beside him. Aditya and I were at the back. In the beginning, we were talking, and then one by one, we became quiet. Before long, Aditya was asleep. Suddenly, we saw a lady in white standing in the middle of the room. Immediately, Daddy applied the brakes. Meanwhile, Mummy rolled down the window. What are you doing here alone at night? She asked the lady. There was no answer. But the lady pointed ahead and shook her head. We couldn't understand what she was saying. Mother repeated her question. That, and the lady repeated her action. After that, she returned around and disappeared into the night. What did she mean? I asked. I don't know, perhaps. She was warning us, said Dad. He began to drive slowly. When we went around the bend, we saw a tree lying across the road. Had Daddy been driving fast, we could have crashed into the tree. It was difficult to see as there were no lights on the road. The strange meeting had stayed us. Until today, we talk about the strange meeting and wonder where that lady came from. We still don't know who she was and why she's never spoke to us. Right? So, as we saw, that this is the descriptive essay जिसे हमने एक real incident पर base दिखाया है. Right? After that, we have some exercises also for you here. You can practice them by yourself and increase your skills. Next, we have the descriptive essay. Now, what is a descriptive essay? Let's have a look on this. A descriptive essay gives a detailed picture of a person, place, object, or event. The essay uses words and phrases that give the reader a picture of the subject. तो एक डिस्क्रिप्टिव एसे जो है वो एक पर्सन का डिटेल्ड पिक्चर होता है, प्लेस का, ऑब्जेक्ट का या फिर किसी भी इवेंट का। जो ऐसे है वो उन वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस को यूज करता है जो कि रीडर को उसी सब्जेक्ट की जिसकी बात हो रही है एक पिक्चर उस रीडर के माइंड में बन जाएगा इससे, राइट। द लैंग्वेज इज इमेजिनेटिव एंड हैज मेनी एडजेक्टिव्स। ये जो लैंग्वेज होती है डिस्क्रिप्टिव एसेज की वो बहुत ही ज्यादा इमेजिनेटिव होती है और उसमें बहुत सारे एडजेक्टिव्स कंसिडर किए जाते हैं। Comparisons and illustrations help to make the essay effective। कि comparisons और illustrations को यूज करके हम अपने essay को और भी ज्यादा effective बना सकते हैं। The words used are related to the five senses। कि जो words यूज किए जाते हैं वो relate करते हैं हमारे five senses के थ्रू। How? This makes it easier for the reader to imagine and make a picture of subject in the mind's eye। कि जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा इमेजिन करने लगते हैं चीज़ों को जिससे हमारे माइंड में उस सब्जेक्ट की एक क्लियर पिक्चर बन जाती है, राइट। So now we have the example of a tennis match. Let's read it. So my sister and I went to see a tennis match। तो मैं और मेरी सिस्टर एक टेनिस मैच देखने के लिए गए। वानी मिश्रा ऑफ ब्लॉसम स्कूल was playing against Avni Sharma of Sunflower School at the Nehru Stadium। We settled down in our seats well before the match began। The stadium filled slowly. Soon there was hardly any place to sit। It was an important match and both the players were very popular। Almost all the students from both the schools had come to see the match. As soon as Vani and Avni entered the court, the crowd stood up with a loud roar. Sounds of clapping and cheering filled the air. Here and there you could see the tricolor being waved. But most of the flags were of the schools that Vani and Avni belonged to, right? After that, the match began. The ball hit the racket with a loud smack. You could hear the girls grunt when they hit the ball. Every time the ball smashed the net, the crowd sighed. Aces were greeted with the sounds of whistles and cheers. Excitement grew as the match progressed. The first set was won by Avni and the second by Vani. The third set would decide the winner. Not every ball was watched carefully by the crowd. A small mistake by any player made the students of her school shout encouraging words. The good thing was, every good shot was appreciated by the students of both the schools. The air was soon thick with excitement. The last set was going to end. The score was 1 set all and 40 all. The winner would help one of them win the game. Both the players were sweating, but they continued to play. Volley after volley followed. At last, Avni managed to get the advantage point. She then served a ace. The game was won by her. Even though Avni was not from our school, my sister and I stood up to clap for her. in this match was really exciting. सो एज वी हैव सीन कि हमने यहाँ पर एक डिस्क्रिप्टिव ऐसे दिया है, यानी कि एक सीन, एक टेनिस का गेम जो कि उसके आगे चल रहा था, उसको हमने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है यहाँ पे, राइट? सो दीज आर द थिंग्स व्हिच आर नोन एज द डिस्क्रिप्टिव एसेज। सो ये हमारी एक्सरसाइज है जो हमें दी हुई है। यू कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प देम, you can also take their help to improve your skills, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something new from this, and now you will be easily able to write the essays. So, thank you so much and have a great day ahead.